Okay. We're just going to go somewhere. Hi! This is my friend. He's a bacon here. And this is my avatar at Brookhaven. And my real avatar is at my account. That
Yuna.
What is it?
You want to be the Yuna only?
Nope. I'm just walking around. Just go to the groceries. My brother who is not joining. We just joined out tonight and natin make a YouTube channel. Wait.
Oh, God, blood ka na new roid ka. It's like a McQueen.
And what do you want to be your lunch, Han?
And that's kung span a car.
What lunch do you want? I buy pizza.
I don't want a lunch. I just want a scooter.
A scooter. I buy Hershey's. You just get some
I'm going to Mr.
milk.
Brookhaven. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
Where I need to get shopping lists. Okay.
Blood is shopping.
Thank
Guys,
you.
blood is shopping. Even though it's a girl, but even though it's a boy. And it's gonna be but it's not BI fee. It means you cannot ride the helicopter.
You know.
And I don't have BI fee.
I'm using my scooter and I'm going
Follow me. I'm going to Miss Brookhaven's house.
And you may go to.
I'm going to Mr. Brookhaven's house. Guys, like and subscribe you like Miss Brookhaven's house.
I don't know, my friend's saying. Me what? Bro's yapping at speed?
Yeah, you yapping from speed, idiot. Because you did the Queen are the only nice idiot.
Really? I think you look like Speed. I saw Speed.
I saw speed. No, you look like, but no one cares about Messi about it. You still work on me in football.
Are you sure? Ronaldo's so stupid.
Yeah, blood is the real football player.
He's not a real football player.
Yeah, he is. He's a football player.
I just arrived to Mr. Brookhaven's house.
Well,
And this is Mr. Brookhaven's boring house.
Send it to Miss Brookhaven.
Just kidding. It's a nice house with nothing is
Guys, don't
inside.
lock. How about right now? Don't lock to me.
I'm bringing my scooter inside
Don't lock to me now.
You look so funny. Are you old already?
This is my drive. Let's go.
Let's go now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's have a horse. I want to
I'm going to have a
get a black horse.
ngipin mo yun.
Well, guys, look at this magic trick. Hey guys, wait, guys, look at this magic trick. I'm going to spawn a car.
Wait, I'm going to get here.
And now look at me now. Look, I'm going to do
Okay, what you going to do?
something.
Please, a purple car.
No purple car. It only works for black cars. And look.
Like this?
No! Now look.
Yes. You're in. What should just happen? Oh, I'm leaving you alone.
Don't leave me alone. I'm not spawning a car then.
Disappear your car. No.
Ayaw na pagdagandagan. Ayaw na pagdagandagan.
Anan?
Pasagdira na siyang pahok ba na ako.
Homeless na yan siya.
Ayaw pasagdira na pahok na siyang
Ingon sila.
Pasagdira na.
Ingon si Lola.
Pasagdira na siya. Dira na siya mamaniligo. Iuyab.
Kuman, homeless din siya.